Keyskillset offers a safe and realistic simulated environment for hands-on practice. Other platforms often limited to basic coding exercises without a full simulation. Keyskillset learn at your own pace, whenever it suits you with secure sandbox system. Other platforms may have a fixed schedule or less flexibility. Keyskillset covers all basics to advanced topics like object-oriented programming. Other platforms might require multiple courses to cover the same material. Keyskillset instant feedback to correct mistakes as you go. Other platforms' feedback can be delayed. Keyskillset access to mentors unlimited. Other platforms' support might be limited to forums or scheduled sessions. Keyskillset options include video lessons, audio explanations, and one-on-one tutoring. Other platforms typically offer fewer formats and less personalized tutoring. Keyskillset regular assessments and a certificate of completion. Other platforms may offer fewer assessments and not always a certificate. Keyskillset access the entire curriculum for a year. Other platforms often limited access time or additional fees for extended access. Keyskillset fun and engaging learning approach. Other platforms' engagement methods vary and might not be as interactive. So don't settle for less. Start your Python journey with Keyskillset today and unlock your full potential. Register now and take the first step towards mastering Python.